Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 3 from exercise 4.1. Alright, so the question is solve the following equation by trial and error method. So the name here trial and error is itself indicating that we have to try more than one number of time. The trial and error method is, in a science and a maths, trial and error method is something where we are trying with few numbers of time to get the answer, to get the proper answer. Alright, so here also the same logic has been used, that is to solve this problem, that is to get 17. We till now the value of p, the value of m, the value of x was given in the previous question, but in question number 1 and 2. But in question number 3 we have to try using some value of p, that is our own value 0, 1, 2. But what you have to maintain is, what you have to think, what your aim is to find the 17. Putting whichever number you are getting the value of, putting whatever value of p, if you are getting 17, then that will be considered as the value of p. But if you are not getting the value of if you are not getting the value 17 by putting the value of 0, then you have to try with the next one 1, then you have to try with the next, that is 2. You can put the negative value also to get the 17. So this method, this way of the process of finding the answer, the way of finding the value is considered as trial and error method. All right, so let us start finding the value of p. So let us start solving, taking the help of this. All right, okay, so in order to solve this, let us differentiate this equation into two sides, that is left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side is this and left hand side is this. So first of all, let's solve left hand side in order to get the right hand side, that is 17. So let p is equal to 0 first, right? Let p is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 plus 2. So 5 0 is a 0 plus 2. Yes, 5 0 is a 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So you can easily see that in RHS we have 17, but in LHS we got 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So hence p value 0 is not considered. We cannot, the value of p is not satisfying the equation, right? So let us take the value of p 1. Okay, let us assume the value of p 1. Now here in the left hand side I'm going to put the value of p, that is 1 plus 2. So 5 1s is 5 plus 2, so 5 plus 2 is 7. Again the left hand side and right hand side are not matching, which is 17, isn't it? So LHS is not equal to RHS. Now let us try with the next value. Let us move on with the value called p value 2. So the equation, you know that 5 into 2 plus 2. So 5 2s is 10 plus 2, which is 12, is not equal to again 17, which is right hand side. So here also I can write LHS is not equal to RHS. Alright, if 2 value also we are not getting, then of course we have to proceed with the next one. This is only a trial method. So I hope you are understanding what concept is applied, what logic we have to apply. So let the value of the p here is 3. If 3 is also not giving the value, okay, then you have to try with the you can try with the negative value also. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. Yes, this is giving us a hope, which is LHS and RHS. You all know it is 17. So LHS is equal to RHS, right? So in this case LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore p is equal to 3 is a solution of a given equation. So you can also write here the value p is equal to 3 is a solution of a given equation. Alright, so I hope you people have understood what is trial and error method now. You have to try you have to try means trial means to try, and error means you may face error, you may not get the answer at the first, but try the value at the end you are going to get, you are going to reach the value, you are going to reach the point where you are what you are searching for. So at the last, that is using trial and error method, we got the value p, we got the value of a p, that is 3, which is satisfying the equation. All right, so this is very simple thing, easy one. All right, so question number 3 part 1 is over. Now this is part 2 here. All right, so this question is very simple. Again, you have to use the trial and error method only. So let us start doing. Let p is equal to 0. So starting with the 0, I'm going to do it. So 3 into 0 minus 14 is equal to 4. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side, which you have to get, that is 4. All right, and 3 0 is 0 minus 14, so it is clearly we can view that it is minus 14, which is not equal to 4, or we can write that LHS is not equal to RHS, that is the value 0 is not satisfying the given equation. All right, let us try the next value of p, that is let p is equal to 1 3 into 1 minus 14 is equal to 4. So this is LHS here, this is RHS, our target. So 3 1s are 3 minus 14 is equal to 4. So again here 3 minus 14 is minus 11 is equal to, which is not equal, right? So we can write LHS is not equal to RHS again here. So the value 1 is not suitable for here, right? So let us try with the next value. Okay, now I am going to choose, let the value be 3. Without taking 2, you can take later on also if you want. It's not that you have to go in a series, it's not like that you have to follow the process of natural number, counting number, or a whole number. It's not like that. Okay, you can jump to any number, you can take minus 3 value also to get the desired number. Okay, so it's not like that we have to follow 0 1 2 3 4 pattern. I want to take 3, you want to take 3, use 3, try to if you feel that yes, putting this value I can get the values. Let me see whether 3 is a perfect value, is equal to 4. This is our RHS here, and 3 3 is a 9 minus 14 is equal to 4. So 9 minus 14 is minus 5, which is not equal to 4. All right, so 3 didn't give the answer, so let's try the value, next value. Let me choose 5 now. Okay, let me choose 5. Let p is equal to 2. So you know the equation, it is 3m minus 14. So 3 into 2 minus 14 is equal to 4, which is here LHS is this and RHS is this. 3 to the 6 minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay, I have taken the value p value 2. So I have thought of taking 5. So let me take the 5 value. Okay, so let me take the 5 value, because it seems that when putting the value of 2, I'm not going to get the answer because it is far away. So let me take 5. 3 5s are 15. So 15 minus 14 is 1, which is not equal to, right? So again here LHS is not equal to RHS. So let me take the value 6 here. So LHS side 3 into 6 minus 14, which is equal to 4. RHS 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. So yes, I am here. So 18 minus 4 is 4, which is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So what value is satisfying the condition? The value P is satisfying the condition. There, hence we can write, hence the value P is equal to 4 is the solution of a given equation, isn't it? So you, after trying a lot of number, we got p value 6, which is fulfilling our condition. It is little time consuming, but trial and error method earlier, when the sophisticated instruments were not there, people used to go for trial and error method. Still now some scientists, some mathematician, some engineer follow this condition, some technician follow this property, that is the trial and error method. Okay, so even you people need to know the idea of this, very important thing. If you have any problem, if you face any problem, kindly share with me. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.